Shrinath Electric. A transformative journey that began almost 25 years ago in 1995. The only objective was to improve bit by bit to achieve better product quality, higher customer satisfaction and better work environment. Shrinath Electric provides solutions for all your electrical needs and power needs professionally. It has expertise in delivering end-to-end solutions to meet customer needs. Shrinath Electrics deals with a wide range of products like electric panels, which are categorized a variety of power distribution panels, APFC panels, MCC panels, automated control panel, and VFD. Shrinath Electric provides a variety of switch gears like power contractors, overload relays, motor, changeover switches, and much more. Shrinath Electric not only sums up that but also has a wide variety of cables and wires for its customers. Shrinath Electrics is an ISO certified company located in prime industrial area Rakhial and have most modern and state-of-the-art quality testing and development equipment managed by a team of qualified and experienced professionals. This continuous monitoring ensures strict compliance with established national and international standards. Our success today in this ever-changing world is due to a long list of happy installations. Shrinath Electric.